Hello everyone! Are you wondering what Fluiromantic means? Let's explore. Fluiromantic refers to romantic attraction that changes over time. A fluiromantic person might find that their romantic feelings shift in intensity, direction, or towards different people depending on circumstances or time. This identity acknowledges the fluid nature of romantic attraction, where one's feelings may not be consistent or fixed. Fluiromantic individuals might experience periods of strong romantic attraction, followed by times when those feelings diminish or change. In essence, being fluiromantic is about recognizing and embracing the fluidity of romantic attraction, understanding that it can vary over time and in different situations. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.